Hello friends, Namaskar. My name is Ritish Raj. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand. Yesterday I got the education from the Academy of Private Investor, and I got to learn so many new things. It teaches you about all things required in your life. If you want to fulfill each of your dreams and want money to chase you, do your things differently and want to pass on the benefits to society, then this platform is a must. In our life, we can get the education degrees from anywhere, but there is no degree to stand tall on your feet. If you want to learn the portfolio management and earn passive income, then you should join the Academy of Private Investor. Buy their package and study it. It works on your basics and gives you a golden opportunity to raise your standard of living. From the beginning of our childhood, we take two types of education. One is for active income, and the second is for passive income. 95% of people go for active income, and only 5% of people learn about passive income. Those who learn about passive income, money works for them. They keep receiving the passive income. Passive income has become a possibility for me, and I have learnt from the Academy of Private Investor. So you should act today and join the Academy of Private Investor. It is a great opportunity for everyone. It is a chance to change your life and everyone around you. Thank you.